On July 12th, 2025, an officer on U.S. Highway 19 in Florida clocked a car at 117 miles per hour. It became one of the first arrests under a speeding law, only 11 days old. The driver went to jail. Her husband, riding beside her, was detained, questioned, then handed the keys. And every move here maps onto a specific rule worth unpacking.
Get your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off to your H, by the way. I'm off to your H, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 19? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. Caroline, is it Caroline? How about I talk to you? You got shoes? What's this company? What's your life? Can you take this off? How old are you? Okay. Oh.
If I drop my phone.
You won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're handcuffed right now is that, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you know
It's a fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117, you're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. It's better on that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
Alright, I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it, whose car is
I
it?
think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm going to have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you.
No, I would prefer to
Alright,
have
so
my
who is that
phone
to you?
That's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down or?
Yeah. Yeah, I
It's not-
understand. That's fast.
Okay, there's not a place to do it, right? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay.
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too. Okay, it's considered racing. You're an exhibition of a speed. All right.
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
All right. Well, just hang tight.
Wait, I have a question. Why is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail. Okay. I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can walk. They be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail. Okay.
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail. Okay. Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second. What's your name, boss?
Isaiah.
Did you know she was going that fast?
I wasn't looking at the speedometer. I can't see over it, but
Right.
it felt fast.
It felt fast, right?
Yeah.
Did you tell her to slow down at all, or did you want her to slow down?
I mean,
I get. I understand.
I'm comfortable. You know, I'm not trying to.
No, you're just being detained right now, man. You have to understand that she was doing 117. Okay. They just passed a new law. Anything over 100 miles per hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor now. Okay.
Yeah.
They're not playing around. Okay. She's your wife, you said?
Yeah.
All right. Is that your car too?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed to?
I was headed to pick up a car part. It was like a what do you call it? It was like a sticker for the badges. It was just like some, you know.
Is that where you're coming from?
No, I was coming from home.
You guys were coming home. You guys were going to go pick up some stickers or stuff.
Yeah, some stickers for the car.
All right. Just like that. Okay, Caroline. I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, want to be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So he can take care of the dog, okay? You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today, okay? Like I said, they just passed this new law. We're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You gotta get a citation for me. I'm not gonna do the racing statute. I'm just gonna do the dangerous speed statute, okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I can take both of you to jail, okay? But I'm not doing that, alright? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright?
Step out for me. Shadow's handcuffs. Yep. Face that way. Okay, once I get the shadow, this one, I want you to put this hand on top of your head for me, okay? Put it on top of your head. There you go. Alright, you can relax. Come on over here. Alright, just right here. Hang tight right here for a second.
I'm not trying to be rude. I don't understand.
Okay, because if the officer wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could charge you with racing. Okay? Being a passenger in the car, that's racing. Exhibition of speed of the vehicle, which you need to go to jail too. Okay? That kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. You want to race, go to the tracks. Okay? You want to have fun doing 117 miles an hour on 19, go to the tracks. Okay? You hit somebody out here doing that, kill somebody, hurt somebody severely, just a good part of your life is going to be gone. You understand? Yeah. Okay. Your wife wants to speak with you. I'm going to ask this officer if it's okay. And if that's okay, then, you know, we'll bring you up to the window and let you speak to her real quick. Right. We're going to let you take the car.
Do you know, like, what's happening? Like, what's going to happen?
Do you?
Yeah.
So, like, am I, like, sleeping there?
You may have a bond. Okay. Just depends. I don't know if you've been in trouble before, any kind of criminal history, anything like that. There's a lot of display, but they'll tell you what your bond is over there. Okay, it's probably a small bond, somewhere around $500
Do you
or
know,
so.
like, where it is? Is it the...
Yep, 49th Street. All right. So what happened is I wrote down his number for you because your phone was completely dead. Once you're able to, you better make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out and how you're going to get picked up and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Can I give him a kiss?
Nope. Unfortunately. There you go. That's what you go. I was gonna say just real low. Okay. All right.
Officer Atwater Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle and take a step away from the car? Widen your stance for me? Okay, perfect. Anything on your person? No problem. Regular bra, or is it sport? I give everybody this discretion, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony. I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that heads up, okay? All right, let's
The new law is Florida Statute 316.1922, dangerous excessive speeding. 50 over the limit or 100 and up in a way that endangers others now means up to 30 days in jail on a first conviction. At 117, the 50 over element is satisfied on the officer's observation alone. No radar dispute. No lab work. The speed itself is the crime. The stop barely needs a defense. An officer who watches a traffic violation may pull the car over, a point the Supreme Court made plain in Whren versus United States, and motive doesn't matter when the violation is real. The arrest is the sharper question. Florida turned this speed into a jailable misdemeanor, and once jail is on the table, a custodial arrest is squarely allowed. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista settled that years ago. Watch the sequence on the warnings. Roadside questions during an ordinary stop aren't custody, so the early back and forth needed no advisory. That rule comes from Berkemer versus McCarty, and the Miranda card arrives only after the cuffs. When it comes, the advisory is complete, and the officer confirms she understands each right. Miranda versus Arizona demands exactly that before any custodial questioning. Clean order, no shortcuts. The riskier moment is quieter. The officer asks the husband whether he knew the speed, whether he told her to slow down, all while a second statute hangs in the air, unspoken. That statute is 316.191, racing on highways. It reaches a passenger who knowingly rides in an exhibition of speed, and it's a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying a full year of license revocation. So those casual questions weren't small talk. A detained man may stay silent, and every answer nudged him toward admitting the exact knowledge that racing law punishes. Then the officer folds the theory. He drops the racing charge, files only the speeding count, and spares both spouses the harsher hit discretion. That's lawful, and, here, used with a light hand. The pre-transport search rests on settled ground. A lawful arrest lets an officer search the person straight from United States versus Robinson. Calling a female officer to handle it is judgment, not law, and sound judgment. Grades. The officer earns a B+ for clean legal footing, an accurate read of a days-old statute, and restraint on the charges, while the loose racing talk and the pointed questions to a detained man keep him off an A. The driver draws a B-, composed and cooperative, but 117 on a public road is the whole problem. Her husband lands a B. Courteous, though a quieter answer would have served him better. For drivers, a criminal speed law means a fast car can end the night in a cell, not with a citation. For anyone detained, complying and staying silent aren't opposites you can obey and still decline to narrate. For officers, the takeaway is discipline of language. Naming a charge you won't file, then questioning a detainee toward it, hands the defense a suppression argument. Clean intentions read better than improvised legal theory. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.